So in this session we will see how to create sweep and planes in Creo parametric. So to access the sweep command, go to model and then sweep blend. Okay, so here you can see this. So we are in the model space. Go to the sweep. There are two sweeps. First one is a sweep which creates a three-dimensional geometry by sweeping two-dimensional sketch along one or more trajectory. Then there is a helical sweep which sweep a two-dimensional sketch along a helical trajectory. Okay, so we'll see first sweep. So for sweep we will need a profile. So when we click on sweep, see this, you can select the trajectory here. So first create a trajectory to sketch this plane. I will create a sketch. Okay, click on OK. Then we will go to the sweep. In the sweep we select this trajectory. So this trajectory has been selected. We'll go to the section. We need to create a section here. So click on section. So see this normal to this point. So we'll create a section here. I will create a circle. Okay, click on OK. We have created a sweep. Then you can also provide thickness to the solid model. From here you can thicken it and provide thickness. Okay, you can also create surface from this. So this is the surface. This is solid. We can provide thickness here. So we can also create a variable section. So this is a constant section throughout the trajectory curve. We can also create a variable section. So click on OK. This is how we can create a geometry. So now we will see how to create a helical sweep. To create a helical sweep, go to the helical sweep command. Then it requires a helix profile. So we will define a helix profile here. Okay, sketch. I will create a center line. Okay, so this will be the helix center line, and I will create a line here. Okay, click on OK. You can see this. So we will require a section. You can see this here section. Create a sketch, and I will create a section here. Okay, click on OK. You can see this. This is how we can create a helical sweep. So this is a helical sweep. Also thicken the sketch. So thickness will be provided here. You can see. And also change the pitch here. Okay, so I will change this 40. I will also okay. We'll change it to the 70. Okay. See this. This is how you can create a helical sweep. So this is how you can create a helical sweep in Creo parametric. Okay, so thickness has been provided. You can see this here. You can also create a surface. So this is a surface of helical sweep, and you can also create a solid and provide thickness. Okay, so here is a left-handed rule. So it will be, see this, left-handed rotation. This is right-handed rotation. So this is how you can create a helical sweep. Click on OK, and the helical sweep will be created. Okay, so the next we will see how to create a planes here. Okay, so we create a planes. Okay, so we'll go to the blend section. We'll click on blend, then first section. So we can also define the section here. Okay, so we'll define it. Create a first section as I will create it as a rectangle. click on OK. Then second section, we'll sketch. Okay, okay. So we'll create simply we will create a section by using datum features. Okay. Go to the datum plane. We will create a plane offset to this. Okay. 50. I have created a offset plane. So I will create a sketch here. I'll create a circle here, another section. Okay. Now I will edit this feature. So I will 200. Okay. And go to the blend. I'll create this first sketch. Then I will select this second sketch. Okay. Selected sections come. I will select this section as first. Okay. Add. And I will select this section. Okay. You can see this. Okay. If something went wrong, so we'll edit this sketch. What we have to do, we have to edit this case. So I will edit this uh, just a little modification. We need to blend this radius, this rectangle to this circle. Okay, so this has 4 vertex, so we need to divide this. So I will divide this with, okay, 4. Okay, so this circle has been divided. This circle has been divided, okay, into 4 arcs. I will click OK. Then I will go to the blend. So we will select the selected section. So I have just click selected section. Then I select this first section. Then I go to add. Okay, and select this second section. So what happens? You see this. The points has been created on the circle. Okay, so this vertex has been joined to this point, which has been divided. Okay, so this is how you create a blend. Just simply click OK, and this is how you can create blends. So okay, so we will create another one here. I will create a plane here, datum plane, offset to 300. Okay, and I will create a sketch here, another sketch. We'll create a sketch. Let's create a bigger circle. And what I will do, I will blend this selected sections. Select the first section, add, and select the second. Okay, okay. So we need to divide this section also. So I will just edit this sketch. Okay. Will edit it. I will divide this second, third, and then fourth. Okay. Go to the blend. Select the first section. Selected sections. Select the first section. Then I will add and select the second section. So this is how you can create a blend in. Okay. So this is how you can create blend. There is this editing option here available. Create this blend and this blend. Okay. So what I will do, I will mirror the blend. Okay. So I will go to mirror command, select the mirror plane, We'll choose this as a mirror plane. Okay. Click OK. So this is how you can mirror features using the reference plane. So this is the blend command in Creo Parametric. Thank you.